demonstrating some of the units in Tower Defense Part 1. I mean, like, it's only part 1 of the video. There will be more parts since I got tired. So, Maze camera. I'd say this is like a B tier. Guardian. I use this all the time on Endless, and I think this is like my main unit. So probably A tier. Large clock. Kind of trash. So C tier. Scientist clock probably goes there. I don't know. Yeah. Time Sigma Man. A strong, underrated unit. Top of B tier, probably. I don't know. A top of B tier. Weird Mech Cameraman. Should I put below Large Clockman? Or possibly the low B tier? Yeah, probably. Shadow TV Man goes with Large Clockman. Future Large Clockman. A tier. Knife about C tier. I actually the unobtainable unit, smooth toilet. Actually, I might put this on A tier since it is rare and has 90k or like 80k DPS. I tested out on Ohio mode and yeah. Buff mutant toilet. Haven't used this yet, so probably put it about B tier. Yeah, probably. Sulfur TV Man, possibly B tier, or probably the bottom A tier. I don't know. DJ A tier, probably. I don't know. Probably B tier, or yeah. Torch TV Man, of course, D tier. Same with the Present Man. For the upgrade, probably about B tier or possibly top of B tier. Wait, I don't know. It's getting mixed up. Buff Mutant, kinda strong. Bottom of A tier. Mech Godly. A tier. Chief Clockman. Ooh, S tier. Golden Future as well, S tier. My cousin has this units in his old account, but his old account got hacked. Boss Toilet, I don't know yet, so probably like A tier. Of course, it's better than the Guardian and the I don't know, better probably. I don't want to say. I think I put this in C tier. Aqua Titan D tier, of course. It's so trash. Volcanic Titan probably B tier. Oh, a lot of units in B tier. This is D tier, D tier, D tier. Engineer possibly B or B tier or possibly A tier, but for now let's put it on B. The Woman D tier, Slenderman D tier, Spider TV. Let's put it on probably A tier. You know, Scientist B tier is a mid. Actually, one of the most trashiest farm unit, but still gets used by my best friend. Probably C tier. D tier. Speaker repair drone. Actually, I don't know. Both of the weak like boosters D tier or possibly C tier. Ghost or actually don't know. A tier or nah, actually B tier. Or no, actually C tier. Drill B tier. Jetpack Maze. It's just a weaker version of the Maze Cameraman. So yeah, put both this in C. I have a lot. I only have 2 units in S tier. Time Clockman, B tier, Great Lakes Canyon, A tier, yeah. Can put this possibly 80 since this is required in endless when trying to get in the leaderboard, so probably, but I might move it down later. Camera upgrade, Camera Strider, possibly B tier. Astro, I think it's like not S tier, so it's not the best, but possibly on top of A tier. Yeah, probably on top of A tier. DDTV Man is kind of required as well for, yeah. Hyper it's not gonna get used anymore probably, so probably like still A tier behind Astro. So Cymec possibly top B tier or bottom C tier, or like I don't know, probably Clock Flamethrower. It's kind of weak unit, so D tier. It's actually kind so probably C tier. Toxic B tier since it's kind of good. One of the cheapest Titans. Barret, possibly C tier. And Beach Ball, probably B tier, or I might move it to A tier. Ooh, Titan Fan. I might put it in S tier since I don't know. Let's make it the top. Yeah, it's actually kind of no Chief. Oh, these are the top. Repair Drone probably here. Titan Meatball Man. I don't know. Clockman kind of B tier. This might be also B tier. Demented, probably C tier because of the cooldown on the first levels, but it gets good with the last level of 110k DPS, so probably on top of B tier. No, yeah, probably. Yeah, let me check. Large Fan Man, probably C tier, in the mid of C tier. This is like about in the bottom C tier. Man, I don't know. This might be in D tier. It's kind of trash, but let's put it the least top of D tier or like lower C tier. No. Ooh. The upgraded Time Clockman. That hot dog. So this includes the shotgun, the large laser, the firework, and like another unit. Wait, let me see. Yeah. And katana, like about B tier. It's kind of trash to be honest, or actually no, C tier or bottom of D tier, or probably lower C tier. Yeah, probably. So the Arachnid, Titan Sand, Astrogon, and the military. So these are all trash, so probably about C tier. Upgrade Titan Drillman. I'm not gonna put it on S tier. It's kind of trash to be honest. One of the it's like look at the. It's kind of slow. Yeah. Upgrade Time Clockman is way better, probably. So Let's put it on top of A tier, or probably the bottom of S tier. No, let's put it there. SWAT mutant. I tested it out on Ohio mode. Kinda B tier. Hot dog C tier. Hamburger made up C tier or probably B tier. Lowers B tier. Meat cactus. I don't know. It's kind of trash, so probably bottom of C tier. And then the Meatball Man C tier. I'm gonna make more pictures of units. Wait, actually, this might not be a part 2. Probably I'll do this all in like one part. So wait. G'dag. Oh shoot, I forgot to turn off recording. Oh shoot, wait. Let me show you guys how I actually make or get the pictures of units. I went to the marketplace, took pictures of all the units there, and just cropped them in my gallery or AI gallery, and yeah, boom. Look at how many pictures I have right now. Oops, on top of here, this scenes for episode 24 and 23. I'm not gonna show it. Yeah, I might not show. I don't want to show you guys. It's all a surprise. So not confirmed when I'm gonna release it yet. But of course not today or later or tomorrow or the day after tomorrow. Yeah. Since I have a dance. I'll show you Titan Clover Man. No, I don't want to show you guys yet. Red Laser. Gosh, it takes so long. Like about 20 minutes is like about 15 minutes or like 20 minutes as well. 1 minute, yeah. It takes so long. Yeah, let me. I need to eat lunch. Oh my god. So early for lunch right now. It's like 11:27 in my country. Cloud units here. Finally I'm done, so I can delete this. About 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 6, 12, 1, 5, 6. 12 times 8. How long? 12 times 8. 12 times 8. 12 times 8. 96 more units to go. I'm gonna cut and show you guys when I'm done. Haha. Added like about, I don't know, 6 more pictures. Unless 2 files. Yeah, this one, and this one. Santa, of course, on top of S tier. because this is required for trying to get. And then this, yeah, it's even better than Ultimates. Yeah, actually, Clover, I could say, is like lower A tier. I need to eat Launch Pass. Not that good. Laser, possibly mid C. This is D tier, of course. Sinister, kinda B tier. Chef, also B tier. Healer TV, possibly top of C tier or lower B tier. And this is kinda good, so probably lower A tier. Yeah. I'm gonna add more pictures, but I'm gonna eat lunch first, so yeah. Oh my gosh. Surfer. Surfer. Possibly mid A tier, mid B tier. Seagull is kind of good. Probably bottom A tier. Sand Wizard, D tier. Same with Titan Speaker Man and the Glitch Cameraman. CC or Corrupted Cam. Probably like A tier after the buff.
Kunin mo muna yung ano.
Cinema Man. Know where it belongs, guys.
Nash, umayos ka ng upo mo pag kumakain. Halika mo na dito. Halika mamaya.
I'm gonna order. Probably mid B tier. I don't know about this. All of these are C tier. I guess I'm gonna
Dali, umayos ka.
put in more yeah, more, what do you call that again, more pictures. I almost forgot about it. Then add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 more units, and then yeah. Oh wait, that's only 8. I thought that's only 9. Yeah. Leprechaun, top, like under Hyper and Dash, and it's better than all these units. Yeah, take that. Mewing, probably weaker than Leprechaun. From Clockman, probably high A tier, behind or like probably behind Beach Ball, directional behind this. That's kind of good. It's better than Sister. It's turning to mid A tier. Oh my gosh, or mid B tier. Croc Spider, absolute lower S tier, better than the Hyper and Astro. Before the buff, before the nerf, it can reach wave 90, but now it's still pretty good. I'm grinding coins now. Actually, no, I'd probably put it between Hyper and Astro. So you say that it's better than Hyper. Hyper also only reached wave 90. Yeah, actually, Probably worse than Hyper. I don't know. Classic Cam. Underrated unit. Probably. Yeah, like that. Cupid. About mid A tier. Snow. Probably here. These two are lower D tier. I mean, it's better than this two, but it's worse than the shield cam. The large taking one, lower C tier. Probably yeah. Okay, we're coming down. I'm gonna change the meatball to probably here. And yeah, I think that's all. It's not better than all the rest of these. I'm gonna upload more pictures again. So bye. Bro, guys, this entire the only good unit here is the Flash DJ and the Elf Cam. Oh my gosh. So it's like the weak picture. I don't know. Yeah, let's see. Friends, this entire row of legendaries is just pure weakness. Why are there so many weak legendaries? Except for the Mech Cameron. Okay. Mech is kind of good. But now it's like kind of a bit trash. Some people use it, but some people actually don't now. And same with this reindeer Easter tree. But same with this, bro. The top row is just pure weak. My gosh. And finally, I'm kinda good. Know where I last landed on. Wait, hold on. It was the large TV man. So nice. Easter ice cream speaker man. Apple. No. This one is here, C tier. And this one. So this one is top B tier. Guys, take a look at this. No, wait, hold on. This 4 units is trash. But not as trash as this. Let's put it here. This one, I don't know. Probably mid C tier. It's bad speaker man. Bad speaker man there. All the trash ones. Elf cameraman, elf camera woman, possibly mid B tier, same class DJ. Let me get and download more pictures. And also, guys, don't ask me how I got. Oh shoot! I lost. I think I lost it. Oh shoot. It's going to template. Where is it? Oh! I lost it. Oh my gosh. I think that's gonna be all and lengthy. So I'm gonna just try and put this. Wait, hold on. So these about B tier. This is like the C tier. Both of these are probably like, you know, mid B tier. This one is like mid, lower A tier or top B tier. This one top, like about mid A tier. And all these are like all, yeah, the pirate to large speak, D tier, mid to D tier. Yeah, so let's so of course all of these are like D tier. Same with these, this, and the one I'm crossing out right now is D tier. Both of these are like about C tier or mid C tier or mid B or lower B tier. I don't know. And these both are. So all the commons are of course top S tier. Yeah, all of the commons is top S tier, guys. Top S tier. Top S tier. S tier. This one, and this one. All of that in top S tier. Top S tier. And yeah. Top S tier, baby. That's my tier list. And all this on the top is just D tier, and yeah, they're just forgotten. Wait, let me try to fill up the whole screen. So that's all. I got a lot of pictures to delete. And then yeah, so rate my like tier list from 1 to 10. Also, if I missed any unit, tell me in the comment section below. I'll not include the like no units upcoming as Landrick said, so it's like fair. Since there are no units coming up, might do another video of this about the new units. And yeah, there's just a lot of pictures. No, I don't want to delete that scenes. And also, it's just a lot of pictures. That's all. I'm gonna edit right now. See you guys next. Oh no, I can't see this. See you guys in the next video. Bye.